Parable is a fictional universe parallel to our own, heavily inspired by historical fiction, science fantasy, magical realism, conspiracy theories, and pop culture. The overall world spans galaxies, but the one primarily focused on is known as the Silky Gray Galaxy, and the prime destination for most astral travelers within this particular solar system is a little ball of dirt and water known as Earth. Earth is an alternate timelines version of Earth, around 50 years after the collapse of civilized society, in the wake of mutually assured destruction perpetuated by political superpowers across the globe, an exhibit of things like the byproducts of chemical warfare, rising sea levels, the dissolution of centralized government, and as such, the failure of the many systems of infrastructure like electricity, internet, law enforcement, land borders. I wanted to make something dark that could be filled with lightheartedness and juvenile comedy by the players as they went about their adventures. Thank you for watching. It's been real.
What's this dang thing all about?